Yeah. Todos están pendientes a ti, pero tú puesta pa' mí, haciendo.
Hey everyone, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is kind of a haul. Not kind of, it's a haul. So I have a few bags to get through. I need to be in work in 25 minutes, so hopefully we can get through this really quickly. So we're gonna start with the stuff that I actually got for free. Starting off with this Swagbucks Advanced Retinol Starlight Retinol Night Oil. This was sent to me by Influencer. So I've only been using this for a few weeks. This particular product is supposed to like fight your wrinkles and stuff. Let's see. Something, essential fatty acids, blah blah, protect against dry skin, yada yada, transforms your skin while you sleep, fine lines, wrinkles, texture, and uneven skin tone. So like I said, I've only been using this for a few weeks, so I can't exactly tell you that I see a difference or anything. I do like the way that the oil feels on my skin. It's like very lightweight and like smooth, if that makes sense. Listen, out of nowhere I feel like I have smile lines, so I need something to work on this immediately. Next, I got this little freebie mask from OK, and this is just a glowing skin gold dust hydrogel mask. Cool. And then next we have a new mascara from Maybelline. This is the Snap Mascara, clump free volume, on and off in a snap. Cool. And it looks like it's gonna come in different colors. So I see black, blue, and like 2 shades of purple. I got the black, 300 pitch black. And then the last thing that I didn't pay for is this spin brush by Duval. Super cool. This is the Radiant Spin Care System. It comes with a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. I have not opened this yet because I wanted to see if you guys wanted me to do like a first impression Friday using this. If you don't know, I do have a Clarisonic and I do have Foreo, and I have videos on both. So I'm kind of curious to see how this would compare to like the Clarisonic. Alright, next I have some stuff from Bath & Body Works. So recently they were doing $4.95 for aromatherapy stuff, and then candles were $12.95. I don't want to do the most, but I did want to pick a few things up. So Avery's not supposed to use like lavender on her body, and so we don't use like any sort of like the Johnson's & Johnson's like sleeping body wash or all that stuff. So I wanted to try out the aromatherapy sleep black caramel, why did I say caramel, chamomile body wash, and this doesn't have any lavender or anything in it. So it has chamomile and I don't know how to pronounce that other word, so I'm not going to try, but it starts with a B. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. It has those 2 oils in it that are supposed to like help with sleep. And then for myself and Raymond, I got these aromatherapy sleep shower steamers. These are the lavender and cedarwood scent. I'm excited about that. I haven't tried any like sort of shower steamers before. And then we love the comfort candles in this house, so I got 2 of those, and they were actually out of the sleep candle, so I couldn't get that for Avery. But instead I just grabbed a random candle, and this so happens to be the Snow Mountain Lodge one. I don't even know what this smells like. It smells very like clean. So I grabbed this one just so I can, when they have the sleep one in stock, I can just exchange it. But now I'm kind of feeling like I want to keep it. I don't know. Okay, the rest of the stuff is from Ulta. Whew. So yesterday there were bonus points. If you got like any fragrance gift set, then you got an additional 30%. You got an additional 30 points. Woo, I can't talk. So I got 2 of the little Ulta gift sets here. So I got this one right here is the fragrances for women, and it comes with a little thing in there that you put like your little samples in to spray this thing, the atomizer or something like that. And then it also comes with a 15 off any fragrance purchase coupon in there. And then I also got the men's one for Raymond, and it's the same deal. The little $15 off and a little atomizer. Is that how you, atomizer? I don't know how you say it. I can't talk. But then also Ulta is currently doing, for any $40 fragrance purchase you make, you also get a free set of candles. So this is what it looks like. These candles smell so good. That's what that looks like. I don't really know. Vanilla Glow, Berry and Bright, Winter Forest Glam. So those are the scents. And I will tell you guys that usually when you make a purchase from Ulta and it has a gift with purchase with it, if you exchange or return that item, you don't have to give back the gift. But with these, you do have to give it back. So if you're gonna buy fragrance for someone else, and then maybe keep the candles for yourself or give them the candles, or buy, you know what I mean. If you guys want to return, or if they want to return the fragrance, exchange it, whatever it is, they're gonna have to give the gift back, just so you know. Moving on, I'm talking so fast. So next I have 2 body washes. I'm trying to like step up my game with my body washes and my moisturizers. So these are both by C Booth. These were buy one get one, either 40% off or 50% off. So this one is the Clean Vanilla Bean, and I have been using this one and it does smell good. I will say that my husband's here. I will say that I'm looking for something that leaves me I am looking for something that's gonna like leave me more moisturized when I get out of the shower, and I don't feel like this leaves me moisturized as much as I'm like hoping for, if that makes sense. And then the other one that I got is the Honey Almond one. This one says nourishing, this one doesn't say anything. Okay, whatever. Okay, so recently Ulta was also doing 10 times the points for certain items. So I did pick up a little bottle of Purity. That was 10 times the points. And then I picked up the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I really do enjoy this. I haven't used it yet just because I wanted to haul it first. But I'm so glad that I got this because I was waiting for it to be like 5 times the points or something like that before I made this purchase. At the same time that the 5 times the points was going on, there was also at the same time that the 10 times the points was going on, there was also 5 times the points off of certain bath items. So I did pick up the Lano 101 ointment multi balm. I have it in the strawberry scent or flavor, or yeah, scent. Would I repurchase this? Probably not. I could live without this lip balm. I think this is like $14 or something. I would stick with like my Jack Black lip balms. And the hole on this thing, I really have to show you guys that the hole on this is like huge. So yeah. Are you looking at me?
Yeah.
What?
Recording?
Yes!
Oh. My heart's broken.
Why?
Stanley died today. Stanley died today, bruh.
Are you serious?
At 95 years old, yeah. It's for real, he died. I'm like super sad. That's like, that's heartbreaking to me.
Are you gonna have a cry right now?
I don't know.
So Frank Body items were also 5 times the points, but then the coconut coffee one was also 10 times the points. So I just decided to get this one. I was gonna get the original and get like the small version, but I just 10 times the points. like, do I need to say anything else? So I haven't used this one yet. I'm super excited to try this out. I'm gonna have to do like a buy it, but how was it sort of video. Let me know if that's something you would be interested in. Whew. Okay, so the last thing that was 10 times the points. So this is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Like, everyone knows about this. This is the original one. So I got this to try to put like in my smile lines to like prime, but I already tried it and it didn't really work out. So I'm sad. That's the end of that. I'm sad. I'm most likely never going to use this on my eyes, so that was a waste. That was pointless. I'm probably gonna have to exchange it. What can I do? All right, we are almost done. We are almost done. We are almost done. So recently the NYX Precision Brow Pencils were 30% off. So I picked one up in the shade Espresso, I believe. There's that. The Essence lip products were buy one, get one 50% off. They're already super cheap, but buy one, get one 50% off on top of an employee discount. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Oh, when I got the 10 times the point stuff, we were having a 35% off discount that week. So that was, yeah, I had to get it. I had to. So I got 4 of those Essence glosses. Why am I like this? I don't know. 4 of them. And then the Juvia's Place Nubian palettes were 30% off, which made them... Can I get through this video? Can I just get through this video? Lord Jesus. So they were 30% off, which made them $14, and then with the discount made them $10. So I just grabbed them both. Hopefully you'll see some makeup looks coming soon. I don't know. And then lastly, Tony Moly masks were 2 for $5. So of course I got some. I was super excited because these bad boys right here, these are regular price $8, and these were included in the 2 for $5. So this first one is the Aloe Daily Fresh Mask Sheet. It's a 10 pack. So even if you were to pay the $8 for the pack, I feel like that's still kind of a decent deal. But I ain't about to pay $8, so I haven't purchased this yet. So I'm excited about that. And then these being $8, I was like, I ain't buying them shits. So I'm glad that these were a part of the 2 for $5. These are the Grape Pudding Jelly Mask Sheets. Anti-wrinkle. I didn't even know that. Anti-wrinkle, please. Need that shit in my freaking life. Some other masks that I've been eyeing, but haven't picked up because sometimes I'm cheap, I guess, were the layering mask. So these are regular price $5, and I got the lemon ones, and I got green tea. And then I got a bunch of the peach. I got a bunch of the peach ones. So I'm excited to try all of these out. And I think other than that, I've had all these other masks. Oh, no, I'm lying. I haven't had this one. This is the Red Ginseng Mask Sheet. Haven't had this one. I haven't had the mud one either, but we were out of stock on that one. And then I also haven't tried the Pore Care one. So excited about that. But these ones are regular price. I'm really rambling today. I'm so sorry. These other ones are regular price. Is it $3.50 or $3.75? Pretty sure it's $3.75. So I got the Clear Skin, the rice one, got the peach vitalizing, the cherry blossom brightening, we got the cactus purifying, we got the pomegranate elasticity, and we have the orange refreshing one. And I'm pretty sure that's it for this haul. Just kidding, one more thing. Just kidding. I don't know where it is. Avery's hiding it from me. But the last thing that I bought, for some reason, I got another clear lip gloss, and it is the ColourPop lip gloss, or glossy gloss, whatever the freak they're called, in Attagirl. It has like a little bit of sparkles in it. It kind of reminds me of the Buxom Dominique gloss that I'm literally out of. Like, I think I have like one more application and I'm dead. So that's the last thing I got. Don't ask me why I got 5 clear lip glosses. Mind your business. Out my mind. Whatever. If you've watched this entire video and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up so more people can see it. And I will see you, I'm out of breath, in the next video. Bye!